Hey guys, what's up? So today we discuss the best tech for home automation. Okay, so just a moment. Okay, the best tech for home automation can vary depending on your specific need and per preference, but here are some popular and reliable options across different categories. So let's get started. Point number one, smart speaker and voice extensions. Amazon is so Alexa, Google Nest, Google Assistant, Apple HomePod, Siri. Okay, the second is smart lighting. Philips Hue offer a wide range of smart bulbs, light strips, and fixtures. Life known for its color-changing smart bulbs with Wi-Fi connectivity, TP-Link, Casa, affordable and reliable smart lights products. Okay, the next is smart thermostats. Next learning thermostats learners your heating and cooling performance over time. Ecops smart thermostat comes with a remote center for more accurate temperature control. Okay, now smart locks. August smart lock allow you to control and mention your door lock remotely. Yelly Assure Lock offers keyless entry and integration with various smart home systems. Okay, now the next is smart security camera. Arlo Pro 4 wireless, weather resistant, and offer high quality video. Ring Spotlight Cam combines a security camera with motion activated lighting. The next is smart sensor and detectors. Next, protect protect a smart smoke and carbon monoxide detector. Visor sanctions. Okay, the next is smart plug and outlets. TP-Link Casa Smart Plug allow you to control non-smart devices remotely. The next is Belkin Vimo offer both smart plug and smart switches. The next is smart shade and blinds. Lutron Serene Shades provides motion and smart shaped options. The next is IKEA filter. Roofable smart buildings with wireless control. Okay, the next is smart home hubs and controllers. Smart something smart things are a versatile hub for connectivity various smart devices. Habits elevations are a logical control hub for advanced user. Okay, the next is smart home ecosystems. Apple HomeKit for users who prefer an Apple-centric smart homes. Okay, the next point is Google Home. Okay, work well with Google Assistant and niche products. Amazon Alexa integrates with a wide range of third party devices. Okay, the next is home automation software and apps. Home Assistant, an open sourcing automation platform, SmartThing apps, user friendly interface for managing devices. Okay, the next is Google Home apps. Control Google Assistant compatible devices. Okay, so the next is energy management. Sense energy management monitors electricity usage and help save energy. Ecobee Smart thermostat has built-in energy-saving features. So the next point is entertainment control. Logitech Harmony controls multiple entertainment devices with one remote. Amazon Fire TV Cube combines a smart speaker with TV controls. Okay, now the and remember that the best tech for your home automation setup depends on your specific needs, your existing devices, and your preferred ecosystem, e.g., Apple, Google, Amazon. It's also essential to consider factors like security, compatibility, and ease of using when building your smart homes. Okay, the next is just a moment, please. So let's get started. Smart kitchen appliances, instant pot, smart Wi-Fi, a programmable pressure cooker with Wi-Fi control, Junior, a smart con a smart convection over with food recognition and cooking presets. Okay, so the next is smart home sound system. Sonos offers a ring of wireless speaker and sound bars. Smart there is this smart pet tech. Pet Q allows you to interact with pets remotely via a camera or laser pointer. Okay, the next is SureFeed microchip pet feeder. Ensure the right pet gets the right food. It's very easy. So the next is smart health and wellness devices. Fitbit tracks activity, sleep, and health materials. And the next is the last is Withings Body Plus Scale. Future Withing Body Composition expectation and more. Okay guys, bye bye.